Hey, it's Mr. Berdis here. Today we're going to take a look at the Ryobi 18 volt 1 Plus power adhesive and caulk gun. And do I really need one of these? Well, here's my original from 35 years ago. I still have it. It's not powered, but let's try it out and see what we come up with. So first of all, very neat, compact little unit. It's got your control right here for your flow. Okay, there's your flow control. And right here, you actually have your puncture stick to actually puncture your adhesive tube. And so we're going to take this, pull this back, and we put our caulk in. And we're going to go ahead and give it a try and see what happens. We're going to test it out, and then we'll take it in and actually use it on the job that I got to get done. First thing that we have to do, we actually have to open the top. So unlike some of the handheld ones where it actually has the snipper included with it, this one doesn't. So we're going to go ahead and cut this off. So we have our glue in, ready to go. Before we do that, we need to actually take it. We're going to have to puncture it to open the tube. I'm going to go ahead and puncture that. Before we put it away, make sure we wipe it down, get it nice and clean. Pop that back in its little clip holder. Put a caulk in. Put a battery in. It also has a lock right here that you get to turn that off before you can start powering it up. Let's give it a try. Getting a pretty big bead. So I'm going to turn this way down for the job that I'm going to use it for. And we're ready to go. So let's take that in. And always remember to read the instructions. This one's pretty easy. There's only 2 pages. So it's pretty straightforward. So we'll take it in and we'll give it a try. I'm going to take the P310G and I'm going to do a little caulking and see how we do. Got it set on low. So we're going to give it a shot. Excellent. Gives out a nice bead. The one thing I got to say about this is for having an 18 volt caulking and adhesive gun, I would like a couple more bells and whistles. It should have an auto cut for the tip, so I don't have to use a utility knife. And I also think that we could mount a bottle opener on the back. Other than that, it's a great product. I don't get a whole lot of use out of it. I'll use it probably 8 or 10 times a year. It's worth having if you do a lot of adhesive work or a lot of caulking. Gives you a fantastic bead. So always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. See you in the shop.